How to lock Sparrow Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to lock Sparrow Wallet step by step. First of all, launch open the Sparrow Wallet app on your computer. Make sure your wallet is already open, and once you're inside this page, go to the top left corner and select View. From the View option, select Lock Wallet. If you have multiple wallets, make sure that you choose the wallet you want to lock. Enter your password first. In order to unlock your wallet that you previously set. Once done, click on Unlock. Now the next time you try to access your wallet, you'll be asked for the password. Type in your password correct and click on Unlock to get access to your wallet again. So that is how it can be done. Locking a wallet is a great way to keep your wallet secure when stepping away from your computer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.